So in my first dating app video and in the most recent one I did, everyone told me two things: that I need to get my hairs cut from my head, and that I need to post better pictures or post a video or picture of my guitar. Which I did, and then I woke up this morning to one match on Hinge. So it was a very bad guitar video, but this is my profile right now. I have this photo I took just chill maxing. So I downloaded the app while I was eating yogurt. So I posted a photo, like a live action kind of photo, just my state of mind right when I downloaded it. And the yogurt cup was falling and tipping over when I took that photo. It happened as it was falling, luckily. Just a pic of me feeling good one afternoon. Just some fucking cringe photo I took where I acted like I didn't know it was taking a picture, even though I'm the one that took the picture. Then my ham stack, which I need to replace, and God, I was so sleep deprived when I recorded that it sounds like shit, but I'm keeping it. So the match I got this morning was with this nice woman named Ursa. So she said some shit on her profile. It said T-Rexes have banana-sized teeth equipped with 50 to 60 serrated teeth, some reaching up to 12 inches long. Which, I mean, if you're like me, you hear that and you think, okay, that's some fucking bullshit. So I said, no way, you're just making shit up right now. There's 0% chance they had a tooth as long as a banana. And reading that back, I didn't know I made so many typing mistakes, but it's chill. She corrected me and said it's scientifically proven. So she's a scholar, which I very much respect. I very much respect that. And then here we go into the thick of it. Very pretty woman to start with, Erica. She likes spicy joint. Don't know what that is, but she's a woman of chess, a woman of critical thinking. And she's doing the karaoke. 1v1 me. Send me your chess.com. Okay, that's good. Sydney, like the Australia. Leave a one-word review for this. Weirdest gift I've ever gotten was all my friends bought me worms, stuffed animals, for my 24th birthday, and I still don't know why. It's just some worm business, I guess. Okay. Bake banana bread better than I can. I might have to challenge her. Can I see your tattoo up really close? Socks off. That's some crazy shit. Let's see. Jaya. What breed of cat is that? She looks cool. She looks purple. She goes crazy for nerds, losers, double textures, and mutual obsession. Sheesh. Yikes. Oh, this is gonna be the death of me. Oh, she's gonna get me killed. Life goal of mine: intense summer love affair that we never truly get over, that makes us resent our future spouses. God damn. This is some mental illness. I don't know who Sally Rooney is. Wow, she looks sunburned right there. Bro, I don't even know how to approach this. What breed of cat is this? Can I see? And what color? No, that's... I'm gonna refer to the cat as it, because it, for no reason. Is that a cat or some other animal right there? It's a very interesting animal. Oh wow, look at those deers. Holy. Where do you find that many deers? Let's bang bump music and drive around town. God, I am just not in the fucking... I'm just not in the zone tonight. My Riz is dickhole, I'll be honest. These are all the same picture, I think. Owning bitches on TFT? Oh shit. Oh shit. I go crazy for saving children from a house fire. It's a good thing. Candy and a smile she likes. And she likes cigarettes. She might be the one. She might be the one. Cigarettes and TFT? Tonight? Actually not tonight, I'm busy tonight. What the fuck is this shit? Perchance. Okay. What is this? I'm out of free likes? How? I just started. God damn it. Alright, let's see. Haley messaged me back. Oh yeah, this girl said, "You seem horrible and I love it. Is that bad?" Because of my audio note. Oh wait. This is my audio note. Check, check. Is this thing on? I have allergies right now, so I can't really record this. I recorded when I had allergies. I was just thinking about pollen and shit, and I started getting allergies because, I don't know, it was just very vivid thoughts, I think. I was just thinking about that a lot, but I'm going to go blow my nose and try this again. So I recorded that after thinking about pollen too much. My nose started getting a little itchy. She said, "You seem horrible and I love it. Is that bad?" Which made me laugh. So God forbid a white boy need a tissue every now and then. And then I asked, "Do you fuck with bugs / animalia?" It depends. I like them as motifs, but I'm scared of live bugs. Bro, I'm scared of dead bugs. That means something bigger killed it. You know, that means you got bigger predators to poach in that case. But if they're dead and preserved, then I'm not scared. Brother, what? I mean, someone is going around killing them. Danger is afoot. Do you play video game? Alright, I guess that's it. Shit. Whoa, she insta-texted back. I'm gonna have to take this into the video chat. DMs. Oh damn, she's spamming me back. Anyway, thank you, dudes, for watching this. If you do, for some reason, I don't know why so many people watched the last one, but thank you.